Hello my friends, I'm Gio Vallardo from Mexico, and in this occasion we will to prepare a chicken quesadilla. We need tomato. We will chop in small cubes. In a bowl we will mix our ingredients. Onion, coriander, a little bit of garlic. You can use a glass for lemon juice. Okay. We have all the ingredients together. So in the final we add lemon juice around. We put a little bit of salt and we mix. Okay, and the pico is ready now. The first step that we're gonna do will be cut the chicken breast. We will fry it in a slow fire. Okay, ready. Chop. Slow fire. We add the oil. We put the chicken breast. Salt. So just take a few seconds or maybe 1 minute each side. You need to be a little bit brown. Now it's ready. We close the fire. Chicken is ready to. We are going to prepare the quesadilla, the refined. We chop in small cubes. No need to be a professional to cook this dish like this, okay? For that recipe we need our flour tortilla. We'll use cheese. You can use mozzarella cheese. Put all the chicken inside the quesadilla. And we put one more tortilla on top. And we put the quesadilla inside. We're waiting while the cheese is melting. Turn on your quesadilla like this. This is the color. It's enough, ready cooked. Then this is the final result. You can cut in 4 or 6 portions. You can see inside the cheese is melted. The quesadilla is ready. We almost finished our chicken quesadilla. You can eat with a pico de gallo. You can serve a little bit guacamole. This is our chicken quesadilla, ready to eat. You can share with your family, with your friends. Enjoy it. For me, I like to put on top a little bit guacamole. You can eat like me or depend your taste, but for me it's delicious if you put some guacamole, pico de gallo, and a little bit of Tabasco salsa. So you can just bite. Yeah. The taste is awesome.